Well, you might remember from the blog how I described how the belt was jumping the Gates carbon drive, and here you can see what's happened is the teeth have detached themselves from the belt. Right, I thought this is worth showing. Every tool under the sun has been out of the toolbox. I bought these suckers today, bolt extractors, to get the bolt out, but if I show you one, let's see if I can find the camera wherever it's at. You look at the end of it. I'll just try to... Well, anyway, at the end of it, you can see it's rounded. So these are supposed to be hardened steel, but I'll try and get something that gets a better focus on it. Meant to be hardened steel, but no, it's as soft as the stainless steel I was trying to remove. And they've all gone exactly the same way. Here's an even bigger one. So if I kind of try to find the camera again, as soon as I know where it's hidden. There we go. Look at the end of it. See how polished it is. It's a bit out of focus, I'm sorry, I can't fix that. Not with two hands anyway. But there we go, it's not too bad at that now. But these are supposed to be hardened steel bolt extractors, and the rubbed off is easy, or the stainless steel has just taken the ends off them. Guess what? They're going back for a refund tomorrow. There's no way I'm kind of buying crap and expecting to pay for it. So what I ended up doing is, if you look at the end here, so let's try to focus on this. There we go. There's the culprit. So if I sure I can now get it out. So now I can't quite tell, but don't know if they've actually used like a sealant paste on this, or if that greyness is just because I always thought it was a bimetal corrosion problem that's kind of locked it in place. But the only way to do it really was to drill the head off. I tried everything. I tried using the bolt extractors. I tried cutting slots into this head and using a big screwdriver. At the end of the day, I had to cut it off. And the best tool in the toolbox is one of these. Luckily, when the head came off, I was able to expose about 1/4 of an inch of threaded shaft. Put these buggers on it. They just bite, and careful turning to make sure I didn't snap the bolt. Out she came. So that's what they're meant to look like, and that's the one that's kind of come out. So I've been fannying about with this. See, the thread's all good. That's the one off the other side going in this side. So there we go. Just need to get a replacement one of them. But the thing is now that this rack is off, now that I've got this off and disconnected here, it means that this little bolt here I should be able to undo. I've got to put one down for now, and hopefully this belt, if I can do it, can't do it one-handed. Just going to put you down a second. Squeak, 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 noise, noise, noise. One belt off the bike. Yes! New belt on Tuesday from America. Every bike shop in York has let me down. Just to say as well, I do know that this rear cog wants changing. If you kind of look at it really close, you can see how it's polished. But if you actually look somewhere like here, see if I can focus it. There we go. You see how it's actually, the metal has worn away as well. So at some stage I'm going to need a new rear sprocket. But the front ones, let's have a look. So whilst they're also worn, there is, if you can see, there's like the cups where the bright metal is, where it's worn. So it could be that I'll need new front and back socket sprockets as well. Anyway, dearie me, about, I'm guessing, 2.5 hours to get the fucking belt off. Excuse me for swearing. Ciao for now.